Alright, so welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. I don't know if you guys can hear me, so hopefully it's working. I don't know, but anyways, we are back out here doing some wading again because the water's been flooded. There's been a lot of fish moving up to this area. All sorts of good stuff, guys. Do I know what I'm going for? Not really. The last time I was here was with Danny, and we did really good on the smallie. So hopefully today. Oh shit, what the bunch of bugs in my shoes. What the hell? Bro, there's a bunch of bugs in my shoes. It rained last night. But yeah, I am just gonna pack light. I don't want to carry too much stuff. I'm gonna start off with some smallmouth fishing first, and then we'll see if we can find some panfish. So let's start off with the bang, have some fun, stay tuned, let's get out there. These rocks are dangerous. Super dangerous. Oh jeez, it popped off. Dude, what the heck? That was a nice one. I was not ready for that. Alright, nothing on the bait caster. So we're gonna go ahead and try for panfish. Let's see if the big bluegills are stacked here, you know? Let's go with the chartreuse. Chartreuse and orange. It's like the best color you can combine. Got him. There we go. On the drop. It's a nice gill. Wow! Look at this thing. My goodness. You are some pretty fish, dude. Man, these are good eaters. Look at that thing. Yeah, you know they're pretty big when you can lip them like that. Let me turn around. There we go. Beautiful fish. Let's see if they get bigger. And be very careful because there's some overhangs up there. Oh, I got another one. Nice. It's not that big, but he's a fighter. Wow! Dang, that's cool. Look how orange they are. I don't know if you guys can see it, but... Oh, jeez. Can't see it no more, so... You know you got the right lure on when it lands and they pick it up right away. Like that. Oh my gosh. That's a nice fish. That's a really nice bluegill, I think. There we go. Oh, dude, he's huge. Wow. Look at this thing. All right, we're going to keep some. Like I said, good 7-8 incher right here. Man, it's big. Yeah, that's a good eater. That's some taco right there. This is a taco fish. Holy smoke. And I keep forgetting my belt. Man, it's massive. And them 7-8 incher like that. It's nice. The best part about these is that they're river bluegills. They are mighty. They come from afar. You know, I don't think they spawn here. You're just gonna feed. Wherever they come from, they're pretty big. That's the best part about it. Got him. There we go. It's like as soon as they land, they just crush it. Look at this dude. Jeez. It's another nice one. It's not that big, so we're gonna let him go. Still a good eater. Yep. There's a stack over there. There we go. Shee! Look at him go. Wow. These aren't as big as the one I landed there, but jeez. They are feisty fish. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's a nice. Oh, dude, that's a keeper right there. That's a keeper. I was not ready. Yep, don't run. That's a keeper right there. Dude, just come here. No. Yes, look at that taco. My goodness. That's a tank. Now how am I gonna do this? I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh my gosh. Do not move. Do not move. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh, no, no, no. That's why I wish I had my net. No, I lost him. Ah, shit, dude. I lost him. I lost that big bluegill. Dang, man. There we go. Dude, that's a better one. Okay, we'll keep this guy. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Relax. I don't know, man. I mean, he's bulky, but not that bulky. We'll keep him, just in case. I definitely don't want to walk home with just one. Let's do this. Let's do this first. And then we'll unhook him, you know? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's a better method right there. I mean, when you're in the river system, waist high, it's kind of hard to put fish on a stringer. Since smallies don't want to play today, I'll play with the bluegills. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that's a nice one right there. This one will keep. Jeez, relax, relax. On the skinnier side. What do you guys think? Nah, I'll let him go. It is nice. It's tall, but it's on the skinnier side. You don't got a nice back, so let you go. I'll put the bobber on. All right, let's see if that makes a difference. Maybe that way I can detect bites a little bit better. Again, I didn't want it on there because I felt like it was going to interfere with my casting. We're going to put it on and see what happened. That way we can say we tried it, okay? You guys don't know, this is a float bobber, a really small bobber for either ice fishing or pan fishing, up to you. Just stick through that hole right there, toothpick that it comes with, just like that. If you guys are wondering where I get it from, Dick Smith's, okay? Teardrop float, 3/4. And I'm using the 1/32 ounce jig head with Gulp minnow. Been following me for a while. You guys know this is my go-to rig up for panfish, crappies, perch, anything honestly. And you can get smallies, larger on this too. A deadly way to fish it, easy way to fish it. You can have a good time as well. So far we got 2 decent ones. I'm gonna keep working them. See if we get more. Jeez, just had a bite right there. A small guy. Again, it's, oh geez, I almost got the overhang just like that. There we go. That's a nice fish. That's a nice one. Oh, okay. Bobber produce. That's a good fish. We'll take it. It's a much better gill. We're gonna, like I said, we'll keep these and then we're gonna keep looking for that one big one. See, this time we learn. Put them on the stringer first before we do anything to it. A little deeper, just a little bit. Maybe they're hanging low, you know. There we go. Yep, they're hanging lower. Whoa, dude, it's a big one. That's a keeper. Got a nice gut to him. Yeah, he has a nice back. Got a nice back, dude. Nice back. Oh, dude, I got one. What the heck? Dang, I was not paying attention. I looked back to check up on my stuff. It's pretty, but we're not going to keep anymore. Jeez. There you go. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Jeez. Just a fighter, okay. It's better. But not the big one I lost. Oh man, it's gonna be so hard to place that big guy. There we go. There we go. It's a runner. Sheesh. That's another good fish. There we go. Or go through my legs. There we go. That's a good one. Oh, it's a crappie, dude. Wow. We're getting crappies now. It's not big, but still fun. Man. My parents would love these, but I'm not keeping any. They're too small to me. It's a nice one. There we go, we got another one. Oh, that's a nice one. Yep. It's a dandy one. Not big enough to keep. Oh, jeez. Goodness. That's a good crappie right there. I'll take this guy. No guy, we'll let him go. Ooh, it's a better one. Oh yeah, this guy's nice. Look at the ear on that thing. Holy cow. Oh, got some rashes too. So we're gonna let you go because you look a little beat up there. It's a nice gill though. Look at that. It's another nice gill. Woo! Look how big this guy is. My goodness. Jeez. Oh, let's go. Just like that. Oh my god, what's wrong with this guy? Oh, there's nothing wrong with him. Just different color. Jeez, relax. Oh, you're like a hybrid, that's why. Nice. That's a nice gill. Holy smoke. It's a good one. You're gonna join the club, buddy. Hurry, you're slipping. You're slipping. There we go. Nice. Well, guys, we got ourselves a nice little batch here. We're gonna head back to the car, and I guess I'll talk to you guys there. Some good old gills to eat, guys. Yummy. Can't wait. Alright, guys. So, alright, here we go. These are the bluegills that I caught today. Only kept 6. That's all we need. We don't need too much. Like I said, they're perfect eating size too. Not too big, not too small. Just semi-bucket size, so. This beautiful fish. For some reason, river bluegills, they're like super sweet. I don't know if you guys know that. They're like strong fish, they're built different, they fight different. They're just super sweet fish, you know. So, go home and cook them up. Let me know if you guys want to see a catch and cook. You guys already know how I do it. It's delicious, it's awesome. They're fun to fish for. Just can't complain, you know. Look at that. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. See ya!